Hi everyone, I'm Josh, Corporate Account Manager here at Woodbank Office Solutions, and I'm here to talk to you today about a manufacturing client that we have helped out with a new document management solution. They've been with Woodbank for a little over a year now, and this is the second solution that we've put in place for them. This is the second process that we've helped them with. I went into the business initially, did that fact find, understood the customer's needs, understood what they were having problems with. We then bring Lee in, he's our in-house technical support. He goes a little bit deeper than I would. He understands the technical side a little bit better than me, and he therefore gathers that extra little bit of information to allow us to put suggestions forward. And what the solution actually does is it learns the documents that comes into the business. So not every order form is the same. Depending on the client that sends it, depends on how it comes through. So the solution that we put in place learns over time each different order form. Now, they gave us a specific set of information that they need to extract from each document. That is then processed and put through into their sales system. So we're helping their admin side, the sales team, to become more efficient with that process and take away the manual data entry that they were doing before. It took an estimated around 3 weeks from initial start to finish of the build, and then install and training, which is provided. The beauty of the solutions that we're putting in place here are that they allow for change and they allow for growth within the business. So if you want to look at how you can manage your documents better and how you can become more efficient with your documents, get in touch.